Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer YouTube metadata from VidIQ to TubeBuddy, full guide step by step clearly. First, open your browser and navigate to the VidIQ website. Log in to your VidIQ account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the dashboard or videos section to see your uploaded videos. Select the video for which you want to transfer metadata. Locate the metadata section, which typically includes the title, description, and tags. Copy the title by highlighting it and right-clicking to select Copy. Next, move to the TubeBuddy website. Log into your TubeBuddy account with your details. In TubeBuddy, navigate to the Videos tab to find the video you wish to edit. Open the specific video where you'll transfer the metadata. In the title section, right-click and select Paste to insert the title from VidIQ. Now, return to your VidIQ metadata. Copy the description by highlighting it and right-clicking to select Copy. Go back to TubeBuddy and find the description box. Right-click in the description area and select Paste to transfer the description content. Next, return to VidIQ to copy the tags. Highlight the Tags section and right-click to choose Copy. In TubeBuddy, scroll down to the Tags section for the video. Right-click in the Tags box and select Paste to add the copied tags. Review all transferred metadata for accuracy and completeness. Make any necessary adjustments or additions to optimize the content for TubeBuddy. Finally, save your changes to ensure all metadata is updated in TubeBuddy. You have now successfully transferred your YouTube metadata from VidIQ to TubeBuddy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.